The divination for this month is Pyromancy, and it's bay leaf burning. And you can do it every morning, or you can do it whenever you want to clear the energy, or sometimes how the way I use them is more so to dispel negative energy. Like if I feel frustrated or overwhelmed, or I feel like I have lack, or I feel tired, or anything that I may feel like I want to get rid of, I will write it, the tip of the bay leaf on the left side, and I will write what I want to get rid of. Laziness, like I may feel lazy or I may feel overwhelmed. I write it on my bay leaf with a magic marker, and then I take in my left hand, because I want to get rid of it, I take it in my left hand with my tweezers and I burn it. And then I allow myself to release. I release those ashes. I usually just toss them. I release them energetically by saying a quick prayer, and I can dump them in the trash, or either take them outside and get rid of that energy, and I feel a lot better. So you can use that technique, but if you want to bring something to you like abundance or whatever, I turn where the leaf is, the end of the leaf, like the part that would be attached to the branch, I turn that to the right side. I write what I want, like abundance, peace, rest. I write it on the bay leaf, one request per bay leaf, and then I hold it in my right hand because I want to receive it, and I burn it. So you can use that every day if you want to for this month, for the Aries season. And it taps into Pyromancy. I do have the scriptures listed in the description. Well, actually I have it listed in the Angel Lunar Planner, or either if you want to just download the monthly, which includes the new moon, full moons for this month, the monthly tarot spread, journal prompts, all of that stuff. You can find that listed down below. And it will also have like the note of the monthly divination.